You can unlock your energy with Qigong, so we'll start with opening the chest and then just swing the arms. Deep breaths, releasing, absorbing. And then swing down and up and down. Releasing tension as you go to the earth. And bouncing, shake, loosen the limbs, the joints and the muscles. And then rock the energy around, swaying from side to side like a willow tree, flowing in the breeze. And smiling, then gather the energy into the center. Say thank you for being alive, and we'll loosen the hands as well with a bit of a wave, interlinking both ways. Great exercise for the heart as it boosts circulation in the heart meridian. Or we can do the wave like this. Using the feet to send the energy through